I just woke up. Oh, sorry. And I'm still very, very sleepy. It is 4:30 a.m. I'm not sleepy because I've been awake since 4, but I just, and I'm tired. And I think I worked in the garden a little bit yesterday, so my eyes are a little bit puffy, and then I didn't take allergy medicine, so I need to take some allergy medicine. But all of this I'm telling you because I'm gonna get lunch started, and I'm getting it started a little bit earlier. Gosh, I hope when you see me again, I'm gonna be looking better. I'm gonna get it started a little bit earlier because it takes some time to cook, a little bit longer than normal, but it's all inactive time. So I'm just gonna put the rice on. We're having chicken and rice. Put the rice on with a little bit of a twist, and then put the chicken in the oven. I think maybe with a little side salad and some fruit, that's it. So it's actually going to be super easy, but the rice takes time to cook and the chicken takes time to cook. So we're gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna clean my dishes and then hopefully splash my face with some cold water, and lunch will be served. Well, not served. Put in lunch boxes to be served in 6 hours. No, like 8 or 9 hours. Jeez.
Okay, so these are some of my favorite things ever. They're just frozen chicken tenderloins, and it's chicken breast, but they cook up so quick. I'm just spraying them with a little bit of cooking oil, and then a little bit of seasoned salt, and then some teriyaki like marinade, and then they go in the oven. I'm going to use my little countertop oven on 375 for 30 minutes. That's it, and then they come out cooked perfectly. I tell you, if you've never bought these things before, you definitely need to give it a shot. And now, while the chicken's in the oven, I'm going to make my rice. So I'm going to make 3 cups of rice, and instead of using water, I'm going to use coconut milk. So for 3 cups of rice, you need 4 cups of water. So I'm using 1 can of coconut milk, and you can see it's quite thick at the top. It's like a whipped topping at the top, and then underneath there's like a juice you can see kind of pouring out there. And then that's going to be half of my liquid requirements. And then the other 2 cups, I'm just going to fill this can up with water so I can get all of the rest of the goodness that's still in there, and pour it on out, and that's perfect. Okay, before I put this pot in the rice cooker, I'm going to give it a good stir, mix everything around, and then season it a little bit with probably about 1/3 teaspoon of salt, not too much. Putting it in my pot and turning it on. So while the rice is cooking, I'm just gonna make the side salad. That's it. I'm just pulling out all my vegetables, chopping them up, and getting everything ready.
My eyes still feel swollen and puffy, but I'm done, and it's like 5:15, so that was really quick. It was super quick. I mean, I'm completely done. All I have to do is scoop the rice and the chicken in here, but I'm gonna let the rice is not done cooking yet, and the chicken is, but I'm just gonna leave it in there. But I wanted to show you a couple of things. So the first thing is, let me show you the kids' lunches first. So they just have like a mixed salad and then kiwi on the side. Everybody's salad looks a little bit different. That one looks barren because she really has a limited amount of things that she likes on her salad. And then I did the dressing, which is just ranch as usual. This is my salad because I'm not going to have any rice. This is Work's empty bowl. I'm going to put his chicken and rice on this bowl. And then this is his salad. He doesn't have any fruit because he likes more like plainer fruit, like apples. And he can get that himself. So here's the chicken, it's done. And I wanted to show you one thing, like when it had about 8 minutes left of cooking, I decided I wanted it a little bit saucier. So I drizzled a little bit of this barbecue sauce on top. And just so it could be a little saucier. So that's it, because I'm not gonna send any sauce or anything with the rice because the rice is pretty flavorful. So that's it, and in a minute, whenever the rice finishes, I'm gonna cut up the cilantro and put it in there. So that's it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna chop up a bunch of cilantro, like the whole bag of cilantro, and maybe even more because I really like a lot. And then I'm just gonna add it to this perfectly cooked rice that is super fluffy and fragrant and just a little bit oily, which just to me makes a perfect cup of rice. And then I'm just gonna add the cilantro to it.
Okay, one more thing I wanted to say. So I wasn't even thinking about this earlier. Usually when I make this, I do like a coconut lime cilantro rice, but whenever I'm cooking in the morning, I don't use limes because I think lemon is just as good. And this stuff is great because it's actually freshly squeezed lemons and then they freeze it. So it's actually lemon juice and it's not like that stuff that you get on the counter that's from concentrate. So I'm gonna use this. So it's gonna be a cilantro lime coconut or lemon coconut rice. And I'm just, you see, I'm just not doing very much. It needs a little bit more salt. So I'm gonna add some salt. And that's it. It's simple, but man, you'll be surprised when you try it. The chicken, ooh, which looks nice and saucy. And a little bit sweet. So there's Warwick's, which it doesn't look very nice, but there's mine, no rice, and then I didn't cut my chicken because I want to heat it up later. And then there's the kids. And we are done. Done, 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 done. It's not even 6 o'clock yet.
This was a gourmet lunch and it took no time at all, like maybe 40 minutes, and 30 of that was inactive time. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.